Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that is 12th of March, the day is Saturday. I'll be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science, and the timings are gonna be 10 p.m. in the night. Okay, so we'll be covering up some Python project. We'll be making up some cool Python project with the help of some libraries in Python that you can actually add them into your resumes, showcase that into resume, and that will be a sort of project which gonna help you stand out with other different resumes. Right, so we'll be making up that sort of Python project with the help of some libraries. So do mark up your calendar for 10 p.m. today. That is in the night. The day is Saturday and the date is 12th March. Okay, so bookmark up your calendars for today 10 p.m. in the night, and be ready with your PyCharm IDEs for making up some cool stuff with the Python programming language. So see you there at night 10 p.m. Thank you and take care.